Hello, friends! Can you believe it? Today I was at the beach and I saw a pirate ship. But it wasn't scary. It was our friends from Neverland, Jack and his crew. They invited us to put together a puzzle and go on adventure with him. And I think so. We need level medium. Let's go, friends. Okay, number one. We need 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Corners number 1. I see corners. But friends, I don't know where is place for these corners. These, and these, and I think so. We need I think so. These plates for these corners. No, it's not right. Oh, friends. Wow. Okay, where is number 2? Oh no, Jack, I need your help. I'm a pirate, and I think so. These beach puzzles, they need these. Yes! Thank you, Jack. Oh yeah, you're beautiful. It is amazing. Oh, look, friends, I see corners number 2. But where is place for these corners? Maybe this? No. Oh no, it's not right. Okay, maybe this? Yes! Jake and friends, look, it's right. Oh, I see cards as well. Okay, play this or this? I think so, this. Oh, I was wrong. It's not right. Okay. I'm scary, but you know. Yes! Oh, friends. It's right. And corners number 4. Where is corners? Maybe this? It's not corners. Why? What is it? Oh no, it's not right, friends. Look. Oh yes, it is corners, and I think so. It's really right. Woo! Yes! Look, friends, we did it. Now we have 4 corners. Woohoo! And now we need all beach puzzles with one sideline. This, and this. Oh, amazing. Let's go. I think so. We did it. Corners. Beach puzzles with line this. I think so. We need this. This it's not puzzle. This line. This. Maybe this. No, it's not right. It's left. We need right. This not. Yay, friends! I see. It's beach puzzles with line this, and I think so. It is right. Oh yeah, look. Oh, looking so beautiful and amazing, and good job. Yeah. And now you need beach puzzles with line left of this or this. Yes. And I see beach puzzles with line left, and I think so. It is really right. Woo! Yay, Jack! Look, cool, amazing, and perfect. Like it. Now we need 2 beach puzzles with line this. I see 1 beach puzzles and I see 2 beach puzzles. Okay, these beach puzzles. These are these. Maybe this? No, it's not right. Oh, this. Yes, cool. Now it's right. And this peach puzzle is this. Oh yeah, cool. It's perfect and amazing and beautiful and now we need 2 peach puzzles with line this, and I see 1 peach puzzles and 2. And I think so these peach puzzles. This. Oh. Oh no. It's not right variant. And variant number 2. Yes. Now it's right. Cool. And this peach puzzle and this. Yes. We did it. Look, friends. Now we have all peach puzzles with 1 side line. It's amazing and perfect. Oh, beautiful. Jake, hello. I see Jake. Now we need only 2 peach puzzles in the center and And I think so this peach puzzle this. Oh, sorry, Jake. It's not right. This. Ta-da! Oh, Jack, what are you doing? Friends? I think so. We need... Look.
Yo-ho!
Yo-ho? And oh! Jack. Oh, it's really, very small moments. Okay. Thank you so much for your attention. Please subscribe and like this video and see you soon. Bye. Arr.